Good morning, class. I'm your science teacher. Today is Thursday, and today is the first day of our online classes. We are going to start our new chapter of science today. Please open your books from page number 79. The chapter Soil is written there. Today, we are going to start this chapter, and in this chapter, we are going to learn about the characteristics of the soil. We are also going to learn about the different types of the soil and the components of soil. Component means part of soil. Kindly turn your pages and come at page number 80. We are going to start this lesson. Also start underlining the important points. Soil is found on the outermost layer of the earth. अर्थ की डिफरेंट लेयर्स होती हैं और सबसे आउटर मोस्ट बाहर वाली लेयर के ऊपर वी फाउंड सॉइल. सॉइल जो होती है इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ मिक्सचर होती है स्मॉल पीसेज ऑफ रॉक एयर मिनरल्स वाटर ह्यूमस एंड माइक्रोब्स. देयर इज़ अ वर्ड रिटन हेयर ह्यूमस. Kindly underline this word and write on it. Humus is made of dead material. It is made of the dead plants or the dead animals. So write it down, underline the word humus and write down organic matter. ORGANIC. Organic MATTER. Organic matter. And microbes mean microorganisms, germs. Many living things, they depend on the soil. Like plants, they cannot grow without soil. Similarly, there are many small animals like ants, worms, snail, rats. These small animals, they live in the soil. They make their homes in the soil. So soil is like a home for them. Then many living organisms like bacteria and fungi, they live in the soil. It provides a firm foundation for the roads, highway and buildings. The human beings, they make their buildings and their homes on the soil. Soil makes the foundation and it provides the foundation for the buildings. Foundation means कि ये buildings को hold करके रखती है. Buildings soil के ऊपर जब build की जाती हैं तो soil उनको firmly hold करके रखती है and they stay in their place. Now we are going to talk about the components of soil. Components mean parts. You can write the meaning of components here. Underline the word components and write the meaning parts on it. Parts of soil. The soil is made up of the rocks and the stones. They break down and they form the soil. The very first part is rocks and stones. Rocks and stones hold the roots of the plants firmly to the ground. Stones or the rocks or the soil, they help and hold the roots of the plants. प्लांट्स ग्रो ही सॉइल की हेल्प से करते हैं बिकॉज सॉइल जो होती है वो उनकी रूट्स को बहुत फर्मली पकड़ लेती है. वो प्लांट्स को अपनी जगह से मूव नहीं करने देती ड्यू टू विच प्लांट्स ग्रो ईजिली इन देयर प्लेस. द सेकेंड कंपोनेंट इज़ द एयर. As you know, air has oxygen in it. No living organism can live without air. So the air that is present in the soil, yes, the air is found inside the soil. And that oxygen, it is used by plants, roots of the plants and the organisms that are living in the soil. The next component is water. The water is present in the soil even if in the lesser quantities. बेशक थोड़ा होगा but there will always be water between the particles of the soil and that water will be used by plants. The roots will absorb the water and then plants will use it to make their food. The next part is microbes. Microbes mean microorganisms. Microorganisms हम उन living organisms को कहते हैं that are very very small. They are tiny and we cannot see them with our naked eye. We require microscope to look at the microbes. Now, what is the job of microbes? What are they doing inside the soil? माइक्रोब्स का सॉइल के अंदर काम ये है कि दे हेल्प टू ब्रेक डाउन द डेड बॉडीज़ ऑफ प्लांट्स, डेड बॉडीज़ ऑफ एनिमल. when that dead body it goes into the soil, the microbes that are found inside the soil, they break down that dead body, और वो उसको भी soil ही बना देते हैं. And when the dead body is broken down, it forms humus. Kindly underline it. And that humus, it makes the soil fertile. Humus को plant use कर लेते हैं, and it makes the soil fertile, mean in fertile soil plants grow easily. Look at the amazing fact. 1 gram of fertile soil can contain 1 million microbes. 1 gram soil के अंदर usually there is 1 million microbes. 10 lakh, 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. इतने ज़्यादा microbes they are found inside the soil. The last component is the earthworms. Earthworms, they live inside the soil. They are the worms and they live inside the soil, and you know their job is that they keep moving inside the soil. And because of their movement, when earthworms move inside the soil, उनके चलने की वजह से, उनकी movement की वजह से soil soft हो जाती है, and the holes are formed inside the soil, and in those holes air can enter, water can enter, and oxygen can enter. So earthworms, or the other worms and the insects that are found inside the soil, they are very, very important. So these are the few things that we have learned today. Your homework is to underline the points that I have described, read them carefully, and if you have any question, any confusion, you can definitely contact me. Thank you, students.